Today we are going to Alma-Arasan. This place is located in the Almaty and a place surrounded by mountains, and in between waterfall passes through them. We decided to go halfway by bus and halfway by cab, and during this journey we enjoyed a lot, and after reaching the place it's like no words. Over here every season looks very differently. So let's see how we spend our whole day here.
We have the fun. Most when I'm feeling afraid, do you feel the same? I'm trying my hardest to find silver in clouds. I'm pinning them down, I'm finding it's useless. Cause you come to mind at the worst of times. Oh, why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game, when I'm feeling strange already?
So, हम लोग आए हुए हैं Alma-Arasan और ये है पूरा नज़ारा.
So here we are making that noodles because we are hungry as fuck, and two people are just taking shower.
Why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game, when I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss it the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same?
वीडियो में ही बोलो तुम सब.
अरे दद्दा आराम से. माशाल्लाह. अभी अजान की लगेगी.
पता है तेज सांस लेता है. क्या हुआ? रेस्क्यूइंग. फारूक जा रहे हैं रेस्क्यू करने. ये फारूक की वजह से पूरा सीधा पहाड़ पे चढ़ा रहा है. अरे अपना जिस्म उठाओ. फारूक तुम वहीं रहो, पैदान पाने दो.
I'm trying my hardest to find silver in clouds. I'm pinning them down, I'm finding it's useless. Cause you come to mind at the worst of times. Oh, why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game, when I'm feeling
So guys,
strange?
that's the trip of Alma-Arasan. Actually, we planned 5 times, and at last, at the 5th time, we just, on the plan actually. Not on the plan, because we decided to come here in the morning 8, and we just left our hostel around 10 or 11, I guess.
Yeah.
So it's like that. So finally it's fulfilled, but you know, we are planning to do camping and all, born appetite and all these things, but unfortunately we won't able to do. So that's the view. We are on the top of the mountain, and
You can see.
yeah, so it's like 5 p.m. and you can see that it's sunny over here, because the sunset over here is like 9 or 10 approximately.
Yeah.
So we will just move from this place now. Like we have to go downhill, and it will take around 2 hours. So when till we reach to the downhill, to the bottom of the mountains, it's like 7 or 8. Then it's like difficult to get the bus. Then we have to book the cab, and it's so expensive to book a cab. So for now it's done for the day, or
Yeah.
we can say it's done for the day, because we can say it's a productive day, because you know the peace we feel in the mountains is like heaven on the earth. And that's the view. Just enjoy the view.
I'm messed up in the worst way. Don't feel like I could take on the world and make it better. What good could I do if it's not with you? Why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same? I'm trying my hardest to find silver in clouds. I'm pinning them down, I'm finding it's useless. Cause you come to mind at the worst of times. Oh, why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Why does it hit me the hardest when I'm off my game? When I'm feeling strange already? Why do I miss you the most when I'm feeling afraid? Do you feel the same?
So finally we are waiting for the bus, and it's like such a great experience today, and we are so tired because our knees are just saying no to anything, to move or to walk or to do anything, you know. We are waiting here for the bus, and it's raining right now. After that video I'll go to the shade which is at the bus stop. And my friends are also so tired, so I always prefer to go alone, but this time my friends also, they said that we will also came, so we will also come with you. So I said that okay, you guys can join me. So it's like that. So the bus is quite not so far, but yeah, a little far from me. Let it come and then we will go. Till then, that's over there, that's the bus stop, and you can see that's the scene over here. It's so good, so good. I can't express it in the words actually.
Alma-Arasan.